Well, I had a hard time wearing contacts. I couldn't wear them for very long and they would sort of stick to my eyes and I had a hard time getting them out. And I really wanted to try to wear contacts, and Dr. Johnson said, well, let's first try to get rid of your dry eyes before we proceed with contacts. So I said, that's a good idea. I said, I wasn't quite sure if they made contacts that were, lubricated. They do, but my eyes are extremely dry.
The symptoms I was having was dry eye, particularly at night when I was sleeping. I'd wake up in the middle of the night and my eyes were painful and felt really scratchy.
I was shocked. Yes, MiboFlow. I didn't know if it was going to be a little bit painful or uncomfortable, but it wasn't at all. In fact, it was a little bit soothing and relaxing.
My initial reaction to the MiboFlow treatment was relief. Upon the first treatment, I went home and felt a lot better, and the following days just much less scratchiness and dryness. So really relief, and also knowing that I'm doing something, being proactive and helping my eyes.
Because I just knew I wanted to get rid of my dry eyes and I wanted to wear contacts.
The MiboFlow treatments feel very calming and warm and wonderful. You feel like you're really getting more lubrication and feeling like your eyes will be working, your glands will be working better. It feels very comforting.
Well, I noticed when I was driving in my car and the sun would shine, I'd put my visor down so the sun wasn't shining on me, but I noticed my eyes didn't hurt as much just from the sun, the glare shining, and my eyes would start to water a little bit, whereas they wouldn't before, and they just felt more comfortable. And that happened right after the first treatment.
To other people who are suffering with dry eye, I would really recommend them going to their doctor and getting some help. One thing I did learn was that it's a progressive thing. So if you just let it go, it'll get worse and worse and worse. So the sooner you catch your dry eye, the better. And then they can't reverse what had happened, but they can kind of stop when it happened, so your eyes don't get any worse, but they also will improve because your glands start working better. So I definitely recommend being seen and getting help so your eyes don't progressively get worse, but get better.
I would say don't hesitate. It really works.
I recommend Artisan Optics tremendously. I've been coming here for several years, and besides having the most gorgeous frames, the doctors are wonderful and everyone works here is very kind and patient. And as for the dry eye treatment, it's just worked wonders for me, and a lot of computer use contributes to dry eye. I was educated as well, so they take the time to teach you also, and I really like that aspect. And a lot of computer use contributes to dry eye because we don't blink enough when we're using the computer. So it's always good to look away and blink. But they've not only helped my dry eye, but they've also taught me a lot about eye health as well.